This ZINUS Compack metal adjustable bed frame is ideal for anyone who is looking for a lightweight but strong and versatile base to support their box spring and mattress. Hey everyone, today I'll be looking at the ZINUS Compack metal adjustable bed frame. You can see it here extended to its fullest position, which is large enough to support a king-size box spring and mattress. It can then be adjusted to fit a queen or even a full-size box spring and mattress set. No matter how you adjust this ZINUS Compack metal bed frame, you'll receive reliable support for a quality night's sleep. It's built with solid steel construction, multiple legs, and a center support beam that you can rely on for years. There's also under-bed clearance for storing extra odds and ends beneath your mattress. Plus, the universal sizing feature will adjust to any full, queen, or king box spring and mattress, so there's no need to buy a new frame if you want to upgrade. The assembly is incredibly easy as well. All tools and instructions are included for a setup that takes less than 30 minutes to complete. You'll also receive a worry-free 5-year warranty for continued quality assurance. And with a total combined weight of 23 pounds, this ZINUS Compack metal adjustable bed frame is ideal for anyone who is looking for a lightweight but strong and versatile base to support their box spring and mattress.